didn't go all the way through the canal, just came up through it into the main town quay marina, so we're going to have a little bit of an explore. And you can see our vessel there behind us. So we'll have a little explore, probably find some food, and we'll go from there. Okay then, so that is today done after a lovely meal at Nautilus in Lefkada. We're expecting high winds of up to around 20, 25, pushing maybe even 30 if the weather charts are to be believed, which should be tasty to say the least.